Everybody, it's Misty with a unique treasure. I just got a package in the mail. All right, so let's see. I love this simple packaging. It's so pretty. And I love that she just threw that in there because it just really made it look so pretty. See the difference in it? It was just so nice. I love that. And then I love this paper, of course. So it says, thank you so much for your support. Have a great day. Yeah, so this is probably BohoNeeds, and I don't know how to say her name. I hope to catch it sometime to say it correctly. And so let's go ahead. I'm going to cut this because it probably, um, I have so much stuff, ladies. I can't keep saving everything because I used to save every little bit of paper and tape. I do love this kind of paper though, so we'll see. It's a nice heavy duty paper. Be good to put stamps all over it, cut them out with different, um, I have, those scissors, lots of them that have different shapes on them. And and they're really nice to sew into or put into, um, our journal. Let's see. Oh, yes. I feel something so pretty. I'm so excited. Yes, this is exactly what I have been waiting for. Look at this. This is a package, and it should be to make one or, their items. So, first of all, I want to tear into it. Look how pretty. I love presentation, and that's what gets me every single time when I buy things. If somebody has, I stare at Etsy for hours every night, I'm not gonna lie, because people put together the most beautiful things. They can take just my favorite colors and they'll fringe them out and lay them on top of each other and put a beautiful little ribbon on it that's all fluffy and gorgeous and take these amazing pictures. And I have to call it mine. But her being from India, I did want some of her things and items, even though we might be able to get some of them. I just thought, what a great experience to get things like that. So let me see if I can go ahead and slide this down and take things off one by one. So this is kind of tied. Oh, no, it's not. I was gonna fib right there. So the tie, which is another decorative piece in itself, isn't that just so gorgeous? That is just so, so pretty. I love it. And I'm going to move this aside because I don't need it. And this bag in itself, I love this fabric. I don't know if she just gathered it and made this herself, but what a great idea if you have some decorative fabric to make your own bags, just weave something in and out of it. I just love this thin, how that's shredding, and it just looks so gorgeous. And let's see if I can tell if she's made it. If you hear squeaking, it's um, I'm sitting on a yoga ball chair. And let's see, what is in here? I don't quite remember. I remember this was a beautiful silver though. And I love anything icy white silver. I want to set it right on top. Just love this. I can't stop looking at it. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then I have a beautiful button. And look at these just appliques, how gorgeous they are. And Boho Needs, you really need to go check her out because her packages are beautiful. She makes gorgeous. I got a journal from her too. I'm sure it's in my list of videos. And then let's see. Here's this. I love it. I'm gonna love everything, just so you guys know. That's why I bought it. I like this. Um, so she got some fabric or, oh, she got paper, metallic paper, and or I don't know really if that's got fabric on it. Trying to figure it out. I don't know. I think it's like that specialty paper that we sometimes can get from Lobby Lobby, and it's rare. And then she stuck these on there. What a great idea. How pretty is that? And here is some more of this. I love this under these lights I have here. And this feels a little thick. Oh, yep, there it is. First of all, let's look here. Well, just gorgeous. You can pretty much do whatever you want with this stuff because it's just so pretty. And then she sent some of those beautiful hearts doilies, paper doilies, silver, metallic. Love that. Must be in a metallic because this right here is also new. I haven't touched it yet, and it's all metallic water paints. I love it. And I love these. I couldn't wait to see these. These are little metal roses. Aren't they cute? They're super cute. And here's some more beautiful paper that she embossed. Might have bought it this way, I'm not sure. And here are those again. I'm going to stick those right in here. And I'm going to stick that up here. And I'm going to actually, I can just put this here. Stick that here. I kind of want you guys to see it as I'm taking it out. Oh, this is really nice. I see stitching. So she stitched around here and so she made a pocket. How beautiful. I love this. I love anything with texture. I can't stop touching it, so I'm sorry. Let me just go ahead and let you guys see it, and I'll touch it later. Um, oh, we have a gold piece. How unique is that? I think that is stunning. And then she sent, I didn't see this. I don't remember seeing this. This is so pretty. That is really pretty. It looks like a special card. And then in here is a folder with what is another metallic. And she had it closed with another metallic tree design. How pretty is that? That's just gorgeous. Love it. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here that we're missing. What is this? Does this come out? Because it doesn't. Yes. And then here's another piece. Okay. Also, she sent, looks like cards. Let's see. I'm not sure. This is a piece of decorative paper. Wow, Cindy T, this is right up your alley to me. Because I buy as much blue stuff as yours that I can get. And this just made me think of you when I saw this. If you guys don't know who Cindy T, T as in Terry, Tom, Tallulah, Cindy T, go check her out. She's got a great little channel there on YouTube. And so yeah, I think that's, I feel like this is supposed to open. Okay, that opened. I don't think that, does this open? No, this doesn't open. So these are beautiful. It's a beautiful card and this is a beautiful image. And I'm going to stick that there. And I love this. Great idea. I'm going to stick this right here too. And then here's another envelope. I mean, look at all these envelopes. How gorgeous is this? This is so pretty. I mean, what a great idea. I love this. I would never buy this, and I would now that I've seen it from here. And let's see what we have in here. Wow, this is super, super pretty. So, knew this was a like a ephemera pack, and I didn't care because it was coming from her. The most precious jewels you'll ever have around your neck are the arms of your children. That is so true. So she just sent some random beautiful ephemera. I mean, look how gorgeous are these. I don't even know if some of these are stickers or what or rub-offs, but I'll find out later. Here's a postcard. Oh, love it. Thank you so much. I love this. We travel, well, we used to travel a lot. I haven't been able to sit for any length of time really. So far, I'm doing good right now. And we're getting down to the bottom of that. But I would love to go to India. Would love to go to India and just take an empty suitcase with me. And this is really pretty. So it looks like she took washi and put it around something that's there. This is like some advertisement. Everything for the garden, it says. And she just made a really pretty insert. She's got a really good eye. If you guys want to go check out her journals, they're gorgeous. And I can't believe that they're not a portrait. And she does really beautiful work. Her fabrics just speak for themselves. And then here are some more. Oh, look at those. Those are so pretty. I love it. Oh, look at that. That's definitely vintage. This is just wonderful. And this is while gazing out the window, take a moment to look out for all the furry friends in your lane. Aw, be kind. Make the world a better place, one animal at a time. Trust me, your heart will be content. Of course, She's an animal lover. She's so kind. She really, you can tell by listening to her videos, she's a sweetheart. I'm whistling for some reason. I have no idea, so I apologize ahead of time for that if that's piercing your ears. There's been a lot of times that I've had background noise, and I don't want to put this back in here right now. I don't want to bend those. I've had background noise and I go on playback and I'm apologizing for it, and it's like crickets. You cannot hear nothing. Zero. So here's another beautiful envelope of hers. And so you guys can guess what's coming up for me. It will be in the future a journal with this beautiful stuff in it. Oh, this is nice. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. And I'm just gonna keep running through this. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, it's a um, table at our branches and clearing and banks of India. And it's like a check, a canceled check. How awesome is that? Rubies. Oh, thank you. I didn't even see this. I don't remember it. And of course, I always love this paper. I love the paper with the stuff inside of it, you know? That is so cool. And I know you guys think I'm crazy, but I can't recall things. And I'm like, and naming things or that thing and, the round thing over there. I couldn't think of the word. Still can't think of it. It's so funny. We call it the go-kart, and it's my mom's motorized scooter. That's it. And last night I'm like, the things with the rechargeable batteries. It's like four wheels. You can sit on it. That kind of thing. That's funny. So here she's on a little pleating and sewing. How nice is that? And I just really love this dark silver. I just adore that. That's really pretty. And oh, look at this. I wonder if it's, no, I think it goes up this way. I love this. This is really nice. Okay, let me see where it opens. Okay, so this is the front and this is the back. And so she took that. Look at that. What a great idea. I love it. And then she put this so it would meet there in the front. Let me go ahead and show you what's in here. Oh, this is this is a little journal. Check that out. How nice is that? This is great. I love it. And she took some of that beautiful and sewed it around the paper. I feel like making something and sending it to her back. I tell you, if I can craft faster, if I can sit longer, I mean, I've got design team projects, things like that, that they've been so graceful with me or showing me grace over it. I just really, I have this in gold, I think, or silver. I don't know. I have a paper pack that has this in it. And that's so pretty. I love this. And I gotta just tell you that I would love to send her one from me. This is cute. This is super cute. This is gonna go right in my backpack purse that I carry around. I love that. And it feels like leather, but it's not. Okay. And oh, look at this one. This is the last one, ladies. I'm so like loving this. I'm so grateful for this. So let's see what she sent in this one all the way from India. And it's another little booklet. She sewed it with a sewing machine straight down here. And it is a booklet just for me to use, which this is nice. I can either sketch in this when I'm sitting around like waiting rooms or stuff like that, or places like that, or I can use it for, just taking notes or whatever. Thank you so much. This was such a beautiful package. And thank you, ladies, for sticking with me. If you like this, please make a comment. I'm sure she'll see this and, just really lift her up and let's show her a lot of kindness and let her know how beautiful her stuff is. And if you like my content, please go ahead and hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button. And then there's a little bell button that you can click so you get notified when I do put content out. I have videos that have craft with me's and I show you hauls or things I purchased from other countries. I just love doing a little bit of everything. But you guys have a wonderful day. You deserve it. Bye now.